We saw in part 1 of sales analysis that even when industry is growing at a very high rate, the company is not growing in tune with it. Moreover, the company is also losing market share. This requires a greater detailed analysis of the product line performance as it affects the company's sales. Hence, in this part we try to look at how to do product line performance analysis in detail. As part of the problem, let's look at the company ABC's product line sales in comparison to overall company sales and industry sales. The data provided in Table 1 consists of sales data of 3 items that the company has as its product line. For each item, company forecast data, sales data and corresponding industry sales data is recorded. In order to analyze the data provided in table, we need to perform suitable calculation and create Table 2 for understanding product line performance. Table 2 consists of calculating company forecast to sales ratio for each item, calculating each item's contribution to overall company sales and also calculating each item's contribution to total industry sales. Now, let's look at how these calculations are performed. The first component of product line performance is calculating company forecast to sales ratio. This is calculated by subtracting forecast of the item from the sales of the items and multiplied by 100 to express it in percentage terms. This needs to be divided by forecast of item to get the ratio. For item 1, this can be obtained by 3,420 minus 2,845 multiplied by 100 and divided by 2,845, which results in 20.2%. Similarly, for item 2, it is negative 29.4%. For item 3, it is 131.3%. The second component of product line performance analysis is calculating the item's contribution to the total company sales. The total company sales is the sum of each item individual sales. In the case given, it is 3,420 plus 6,000 plus 1,050. Which results in Indiana 10470. The item's contribution to total company sales can be obtained by multiplying items sales by 100 to express it in percentage terms and dividing it by total sales of the company. So, for item 1 it will be 3,420 multiplied by 100 and divided by 10,470. Which results in 32.7%. Similarly, for item 2 it will be 57.3%. And for item 3 it will be 10%. The third component of product line performance analysis is calculating the item's contribution to the total industry sales. The total industry sales is the sum of each item's individual sales for the industry. The item's contribution to total industry sales can be obtained by multiplying item sales by 100 to express it in percentage terms and dividing it by total industry sales. So, for item 1 it will be 190,730 multiplied by 100 and divided by 500,500, which results in 38.1%. Similarly, for item 2 it will be 20.2%. And for item 3 it will be 41.6%. Let's summarize and draw our final conclusions from Table 2. Point number 1. The company forecast to sales ratio is negative in case of item 2, it is negative 29.4%. Which means that company is selling less items than its forecast. Whereas in case of item 3, The ratio is 131.3%, which means company is selling far higher items than it is forecasting. Point number 2. Item 2's contribution to total company sales is the highest at 57.3%, whereas item 3's contribution is lowest at 10%. Point number 3. Item 2's contribution to total industry sales is the lowest at 20.2%, whereas contribution of item 3 is highest at 41.6% to the total industry sales. Point number 4. Product line performance clearly shows that item 2 of the company is selling less as compared to the forecast, however its contribution to the total company sales is the highest, which is problematic. And in totality there is a decrease in sales with respect to company's forecast by 11.3%. And item 2 is contributing to that. Point number 5. The company's combination of products in product line is not in tune with the industry. Item 3 is contributing highest to total industry sales but not in case of the company. Item 2 is contributing lowest in total industry sales, whereas it is contributing highest in total company sales. The company needs to look item 2 performance more closely before ascertaining the reasons for its dismal performance.